Hello class, today we are going to start a basic introductions of light unit which is very useful for your 10th board examination. Light means what? What is mean by light? Light is nothing but the energy which sends the eyes, right? So the basic definition of light, what it is a kind of energy which sends by the eyes. The material which emits the light, right, that are luminous and non-luminous. Luminous means the material which have their own light, like stars, sun, etc. Non-luminous means what? The material which does not have their own light, like wall, board, chair, etc. Right? So these are the material which emits the light. To study the nature of light, called as optics. To study the nature of light, called as optics. Optics basically divided into two major parts: ray optics and wave optics. Right class? So what is mean by ray optics? Ray optics also called as a particle theory. Particle theory, also called as geometrical optics. We remember, also called as geometrical optics. When light behaves like particle, what is like a particle, that we call as a ray optics, right? In the same way, when a light behaves like a wave, note down in particle theory that particle also called as a photon, right? And the speed of photon, right, in vacuum is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to power 8. I am repeating once again that particle known as photon, and the speed of photon in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, right? So these are the basic things that you have to note down. Next we will start with the wave optics. What is mean by wave optics? When the light behaves like a wave, right, which have the wavelength, certain wavelength, right? So this is behaves which kind of the wave? We call as the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, right? And supposed to be a particle will behave both nature. So when particle behaves the both nature, right, so that nature called as quantum theory of light. Quantum theory of light. So note down what is meant by quantum theory. When the light behaves in both nature, yani particle, or we can say the particle theory as well as wave theory, or ray optics as well as wave optics. So such nature of the light called as a quantum theory of the light. That concept called as quantum theory of the light, right? So these are the basic introduction of the light. Now we will coming to the point. Before starting the concept, we need be remember in light chapter we need to learn the two major concept, that is reflection and refraction, right? So that two concepts that we will learn. Before that we will study about the few basic terms which are useful to understand these all the basic these all the concept. So basic terms you can mention, basic important terms, right? What are they? First of all,